shift, a whisper of wayward silver hair from your eyes. I'd never seen you unkempt before. As you whispered, darling, close the door. Well, how have I not made a note of every word you ever said? Time is not on our side, but I pretend that it's alright. Before you leave, you must know you are beloved. And before you leave, remember I was with you. Are you afraid? However, could you not be in this rosy light? This is strange. I feel a hand come through the mirror, pointing at the light. Before you leave, you must know you are beloved. And before you leave, remember I was with you. And as you leave, I won't hold you back, beloved. We'll sit and talk, the stars down from the sky. I'll not forget the chaos in your eyes, love. And as you